In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Outlook Calendar private. We're going to use Outlook on the web, and I'll show you the simplest way to hide the details of an event so others only see that your time is blocked. This is perfect for personal appointments or confidential meetings. First, open your web browser and head to your search engine. In the search box, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook site in the results. If you're not already signed in, log into your Microsoft account so you land in Outlook. Once Outlook loads, look to the left sidebar and switch to Calendar. If your sidebar is minimized, it's the small calendar icon. Click it to open your schedule. On your calendar grid, find the meeting or event you want to keep private and click it. This opens the Event Details panel. If you're creating a new event, you can set its privacy in the same place before you send or save it. At the top of the event window, locate the option labeled Private, often shown with a small padlock icon. Click Private to turn it on. When an event is marked private, people who have access to your calendar will only see that you're busy during that time. They won't see the event title, location, notes, or other details. This helps you keep sensitive information out of shared views while still preventing scheduling conflicts. After you set the event to private, review anything else you need, then close the window or save your changes so it sticks. You can repeat this for any other meetings or appointments that you want to hide. A few quick tips as you work. If you can't find the private option, make sure the event is open in its full editor view, not just the quick peek. The toggle usually appears along the top toolbar. Changing your calendar view to day, work week, or month can also make it easier to spot the right event. And remember, marking something as private affects only the selected item. If you need broader privacy, apply private to each sensitive event. That's all there is to it. You searched for Outlook, opened your calendar, selected the event, and set it to private so your details stay protected. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you maintain your privacy without missing a beat.